So blue. It's full of ice. Okay, it's getting brighter. Hi, this is our hut.
Survive together with the ice.
Yeah, I think we are getting stronger. I think. So funny. This tree looks like a broccoli. Oh yeah, it pretends like a cauliflower, not broccoli. I'm getting used to -Celsius temperature. We are walking on the snow. Walking on the snow. Jumping is so, but then I think we are getting used to it. The transfer to the snowmobile. Let me go and ask. I don't know. Like astronaut. This is the left. This is the left. I'm going to walk properly. The boat's making it so difficult to walk. Oh my god. Ooh, so nice. Okay, walking to the snowmobile. Okay, we are here. You see our mobile. It's so tiring.
Sleeping, you try to put your leg out like this. It will hurt, don't you? Keep your legs here, the cheeks will protect your legs if you happen to clip.
A bit bumpy. 啊？我的 camera 拍摄了。哇！到我了。Now my turn to go to the sideway, and we need help.
Okay, please come out. Everything is okay?
Yeah.
Thank you for stopping the before hit.
So I turn that. I have to move my body to the left.
Yeah, you use your body weight together. Like
To the
opposite
left.
Side. Yeah,
Okay.
Here.
Okay.
And then it will be okay.
Okay.
But yeah, by the way, thank you.
Thank you for saving us.
Yeah, look at this. I'm standing here, so body weight is here.
Okay.
So it's not going there.
Okay.
Okay.
要把我们走加去前面了。All right. Thank you.
So here is leaning left side, so you should move your body right side. Here.
I should move my body to the right.
Yeah, both of you.
Okay.
Take a dip. So I will turn around my snowmobile, wait me, we will go together.
Okay.
And watch me, where I am going,
Okay.
like the body weight,
Okay.
do the same.
Okay. Thank you. Yo. Okay, we are here resting. Okay, much needed hot. Okay, thank you. Oh, no worries, I take this first. Yeah, 是热的 blueberry juice. Let me. This is so good. It's the hot blueberry juice. It's so good. Oh my god. Okay, 1、2、3 ，Cheers.
去到头上了，去看。
Can we come back? It's very tiring, but it's very fun. Please. Okay, go. Okay, we are back to Antarctica. Nghe 好玩啊！进来的过程很冷，爬进来很舒服。Okay, the hotel shuttle dropped us to this place for late lunch. How to pronounce? Terran Pesa. Let's go and try this place. What is this? Design center? Oh, 没有人。2. So romantic. Thank you. First dish is the Finnish salmon soup. They are so sweet, they split into 2 for us. We only order 1 soup and they split into 2 bowl for us because we are sharing. Second dish is the mushroom risotto. Walking for 3 minutes outdoor to buy grocer. See, so cute. The kids is playing this is called what? Toboggan. Something toboggan. She cannot talk already. Super freezing. It's -4 now, but it feels like -8 based on the app. Actually, it's cold, but how frequent can we enjoy this cold? When we back to Malaysia, it's like freaking hot air. So just enjoy the cold. Okay, okay for it.